Welcome to Wonderland, Sweden. My name's Rebecca and I create educational tools with the help of my XTools P2 and Creative Space. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to make this pokeball. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of wood. So just to make a circle, so you've got to unlock it if you do an imperfect circle from the beginning. So I could just do another circle that's smaller, or you can do an offset. So in this one I've decided to do an offset. So this original circle is 90 millimeters. So you want it on the inner or the outer, it depends if you want to do it, it doesn't really matter because you can just adjust it. But this is the inner. So I just want to do it so it looks good. So just messing around with the distance in between the two circles to make it look like it's right. So it's important to remember this if you're going to use it for something else. So basically I've got 2 circles. I always copy stuff just because I know that I'm going to manipulate it in a minute. So to make this circle in the middle, I'd forgotten the difference in size, so I remember, okay, it's 4, so you want to have it 4 millimeters in the difference. The size of it doesn't matter at the moment, but we just want to align it in the middle. So we're basically going to take that rectangle away from the middle using the subtract, and then you have the first section, so it's basically 2 halves, but not really because there's 4 millimeters missing, so there's 2 millimeters missing of each circle. So basically I want to do another circle in the middle. This is just guesswork of how big. The 2 halves, or almost halves, are still grouped, so I can just do a line centre to get it into the middle. And then I'm going to do the same again, doing another offset to get another circle. But again, I don't need to, so I'm just checking just to see what the size. Because the circle's smaller, then the offset doesn't need to be as big. So then we have that, so that's what we're to do, to subtract that one. So there we get that. So that's as simple as it is. So you've got the 1, 2, 3 pieces, and then you've got the background there. So you just need to separate them. Just for when you're cutting them out in the different pieces of wood. You can always have them all in the same wood. And obviously you would do the small circle and the 2 semicircles together, and then the base separate. So you would save wood, you don't need to separate them at all because it fits in the middle, so it fits perfect. So that's a really easy make for me. I hope you learned something from this.